Good morning, children. Already I taught clauses, no ma. So, what is the meaning of the clause? A group of words which have the subject and predicate ends with the full stop or give is the full meaning itself only. That is the clause. So, clause will give the full meaning, but whereas the subordinate clause won't give the full meaning. Here, what is the difference between the clause and the subordinate? Subordinate clause depends upon the main clause. Then only subordinate clause give the meaning. Otherwise, it won't give. That means that's the half meaning. Okay, ma'am? Here, we learn subordinate clauses types. Number 1 is the noun clause. Number 2, adjective clause. Number 3, adverb clause. So, adverb means adding to the verb. Already we learned from the lower we learning. Here, 4 types of the adverbs are there. Number 1 is the adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner. So, slowly one by one, already I taught 2, noun clause and the adjective clause. But today, we are going to learn remaining one. What are the remaining one here? Adverb of time. Adverb of time. Time to find out, we have to make the question when. When you make the question when, you will get the answer. So here, adverb clauses followed by the conjunctions of when, while, before, after, till, as. All these conjunctions we are going to see in the adverb of time. Okay, ma? So here, when the cat is away. When the cat is away, the mice will play. The mice will play. Or we can take another one. While the teacher went away, the children will play. So actually what you are doing. No, here when shows the time. When shows the time. When the cat away, the mice will play. So this is known as the adverb of time. So usually you remember these 4, you make the questions. Frequency, how often, time when, place where, the manner, what kind. So when you make the question easily, you can find clauses also. And second one, do not talk. Do not talk. What the children are doing while they are taking their lunch. Do not talk while you are eating. While you are eating, not talk. That is a bad habit. So here, which shows the time? While you are eating, not to talk. So these 2 shows the adverb of time. The next one, place. Place means where. So where, whenever. These will followed by the conjunctions to know the adverb of place. I have put the book. I have put the book where no one can find it. Maybe this is the hide and seek game. So I have put the book where. Where shows the place. Where shows the place. And third one, manner. Third one is the manner. So manner, what kind, how. Maybe all adverbs ends with the ly, adverbs ly, but manner shows there is a person also. Hardly, fast, okay, all these. Then sweetly, coolly, all will come under the neatly. Everything come under the manner. So this manner show the relative clause of the as, relative adverb of the as. As you sow, so shall you reap. If you put the seed, you will get the fruits. Then we'll pluck the fruits. Okay, that is the answer. As you sow, so shall you reap. When you sow, you are going to reap your crop. So as you sow, so shall you reap. So all these kinds of the clauses. Number 1 is the adverb. Number 2 is the adjective. Number 3 is the noun clause. Noun shows the depends upon the noun. That is known as the noun clause. Already gave the example also. They were constructing the dam it which produces, which means here shows the them, that is the noun clause. Okay ma? So what are the clauses you learn, you remember it. So once again I'm going to give the only 3 examples. You find out what is the adjective, noun and the adverb. Okay, first one, the boy. Homework. The boy who had saved the child from the fire, rewarded for his bravery. And second one, he ran as fast as he could. Number 3, few people know what they really want. So you have to find out which is the adjective clause, noun clause and adverb clause. These 3. Okay, first one, the boy who had saved the child from the fire, rewarded for his bravery. Second one, he ran as fast as he could. Few people know what they really want. You have to find out which is the adjective, which is the adverb, which is the noun clause. But not I am asking the time, place, everything. You find out whether that is adjective, adverb or noun. Okay, these 3 you find it. Okay ma? Is it clear? Okay, bye.